Welcome back, kindergarten students, and we want to learn how to write more letters very neatly and correctly because we like to write cards and stories. So here we are, way past the middle of the alphabet. We are writing some letters that have curvy lines. So we have an uppercase U on this side. This would be a fun town to live in. Upside down town. You might hurt your head by having to walk that way though. So here's your map. Just one stroke. Don't ever have to lift up your pencil. Trace and write. Of course, you remember to start at the green dot on the top. Down, curve by the red line, and up and stop. And you can practice that. Try to stay on the line. If you mess up, like if you go like this and you go too far down, I would say just practice some more. Spend your time practicing rather than erasing. And don't go over it and over and over to try to make it better. It makes it worse. So just practice again. Okay, now I have to slow down so I don't go down too far. See, you learn from our mistakes, don't we? Here you have no line to guide you, but you do have a dot and other lines. So curve down, or pull down, curve at the bottom, pull straight up. Now that's pretty good. It is kind of fat, I noticed. So I don't need to really erase. I have a lot of times to practice right here. So I'll just remember this time not to make my U quite as fat. That was better. Remember, stop and check. Circle your two best U's. And the words that you will trace on the bottom: upside, Uma, and I think it would be Yuri. Those are two very different names. They kind of sound like German. Turn it over to the lowercase u, and I need to erase my plastic and move my camera. And there we are at Upside Down Town again. Let's move the camera to see the top. Good. Up, our snap word. What else starts with U? Umbrella. And the dog is under the umbrella. And this time the map has just a 1. You never lift up your pencil. So you start at the dot, which is on the dotted line. Pull down again, curve by the red line up. And then you want to be sneaky, pull straight down on top of that same line. Okay. And again, if you go too fast and too far down, you just say, oops, try again. Better. Down here too, again, if you make yours too short, your U too short, say, oops, I didn't touch the red line. Try again. Good. We learn from our mistakes and we practice to get better and better. You know what to do at the stop sign. And the words at the bottom are the same words we just read at the top. So trace those. Please video 2 uppercase and 2 lowercase so I can watch you actually writing the letter. That helps me to know how you're doing. All right, bye-bye, butterfly.